This is the Chinese sweet corn chicken soup. Damn tasty. Best for winters. It has chicken chunks, shredded chicken, some sweet corn, some shredded eggs, and it's all boiled in chicken stock. It's one of the best medicines for cold, flu, and cough. It's a really good starter, if you're having a meal of sandwiches and fries. If you have this before that, it's really nice. It's a good combination. Make sure to use mild spicy chilies for your vinegar and do add it, otherwise, it won't taste that good. And here it's ready. Nice chunks. Give it a good stir and enjoy. Thank you.